Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll guide you through using CapCut with TikTok. Firstly, on TikTok, find a template and select CapCut Try This Template. Then click Use Template in CapCut. Open CapCut and customize the template with your own video. Alternatively, start a new project in CapCut and then import your video and then edit it. You can also use TikTok sounds in CapCut by linking your TikTok account and the audio settings. Once your video is edited, click the export or save button, then share it directly to TikTok. It's that simple, right? Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.